If you've been looking for opportunities to earn an income online, make money online, but currently you don't have any money to invest, don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to be sharing with you different websites where you can do different tasks to earn real PayPal money in 2023. Let's get right into the video. A lot of the websites and opportunities that I'm going to share with you here today are available worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, you'll be able to sign up, take different tasks, do different activities, and in PayPal money. I've categorized all of these websites in threes because they serve similar purposes. The first three websites are going to pay you passive income. You literally have to sign up to these websites, let them run in the background, browse the internet as you normally would, and earn real income doing so. The first website is Honeygain. It is this platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. This platform is going to pay you for sharing your unused data as you browse the internet. They're going to collect the data without sharing your personal details, then they reward you for that. So as you can see, they say you can earn passive income effortlessly. You simply have to download the platform, install it on your mobile device or computer, let it run in the background while you do your daily task on the internet and earn real money with that. They have this refer a friend tab here where you can earn more money by referring others. Now the good thing about referring people to different websites is the fact that not only do you get to learn more, but you impact more people by introducing them to different earning platforms. Websites is the fact that not only do you get to learn more, but you impact more people by introducing them to different earning platforms. Website in the past, but not in detail. Don't worry, a Payment Pro video is coming for this platform, but this is another platform that's going to pay you for browsing the internet. They pay in Bitcoin, PayPal, as well as Visa. The third app in this category is called Pawns app, and I've shared payment proofs. I'll leave you guys links in the description box so that you can check out this platform. Not only are they going to pay you for browsing the internet, there are different tasks such as online surveys within the website that you can take part in to earn more money. You can also earn more money by referring friends and introducing them to this earning opportunity. The second way to earn free PayPal money is by participating in online surveys. There are many different platforms online where you can earn real money without paying any money just by answering questions from different brands and different companies. My top three platforms that I'm going to recommend are Isons and That's, especially because this platform is reputable. It's been around for quite some time and they pay quite a lot for different surveys. They have different offer walls as well that are reputable within the platform. And of course, servers are not the only way you can earn money in this platform. There are different offers that you can explore within the platform. You can also participate in their affiliate program, which I feel is beneficial. The second platform for participating in survey is called Superpaid.me. It is this platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. This platform has got great potential because they have quite a lot of offers in terms of the service that you can participate in, and they have good payout options as well. The last one in this category is called TGM Research. It is available in Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and in all of those different continents. They are available in many different countries, so it is a reputable platform that has been around for quite some time, and it is paying people a lot of money for participating in online surveys. Option number 3 is engaging with different blogs and websites. Yes guys, it is a thing, and you can earn real money without paying any money just by engaging with different blogs and websites. A lot of people are starting different blogs, and driving traffic to those blogs and websites can be a very hard task. They enlist other websites to help them drive traffic to their blogs and websites, and they pay people who are willing to participate in those platforms. Now I'm going to show you 3 websites that have got a potential of paying you, and some of these websites have paid me for clicking links and going into different blogs and websites. The first one is called Seplex. It is this website that I'm looking at here on my screen. Seplex has a plugin that you can download to your computer, and whenever there is a task for you to go and click on a blog or website that They're going to alert you after completing a task you'll be paid, and they release funds at the end of each month. The second website that you need check out is called Clicks Are Paid. As you can see here, they say get paid. For browsing websites you get paid 5 cents to 10 cents a paid league, and of course how much you earn from this website depend on the task. Sometimes will require you to spend just a minute on a blog or website. Some may require more. The more time you're required to spend, the more money you get paid with a platform. One of my favorite platforms for earning money in this way is called Time Bags. This is one of the best platforms where you can earn real PayPal money by engaging with people's blogs and websites, by engaging with their YouTube channels or even social media. In this month alone, I've gotten paid 4 times in this platform by doing this task and other different tasks that are available within the platform. And number 4, we have a big opportunity, and this is participating in paid research studies. This is a little bit different to online surveys in a sense that the different types of studies are in different formats. It could be in video, in voice, in group studies with other participants as well, and in different other ways. There are 3 platforms that I recommend that you try out, and 2 of these platforms have already paid me, and they are amazing. So the first platform that you need to check out is called User Interviews. It is a platform that's on my screen, and they tend to pay highly for the different types of studies that they conduct within the platform. So if you are an expert, a professional, a graduate, a mom, or just an ordinary person like me looking for opportunities online, this is definitely a platform to check out, as they run all types of studies and pay handsomely for participations. The second one in this category is called Respondent, and it's one of the most popular and reputable platform where you can get paid for participating in research studies. It is the platform that I'm looking at here on my screen. They research with software developers, with marketers, executives, enterprise software users, business owners, sales and support. And when you open each of those categories, you get to see different opportunities within each of those categories, and they also pay well for those different research studies. For example, if you're a business owner, you could earn $500 as an average hourly incentive. The last one in this category is called Recruitment Field. It's available worldwide, but it is based in the United States, so that's why when you go to sign up in their platform, you will see that they have a tab for U.S. residents to register. But if you live outside of the United States, they also have something for you here to reduce them. They work with some of the biggest companies in the world, such as Google, Microsoft, Nestle, and many others. So this is another platform that's going to pay you for particular painting in